Today I want to show you what we can check on the users page and what actions do we actually have on this page in Clodify system. So we need to log in as an admin. Go to management users page, and what we can see here, we can see the main information about the users, like all of the users, the information, and some actions for each of them. Also, we can create a user. We already know how to create users, so I just show you what data we need to add. So we can just add this data and save the user. Then the new user will appear here in this spreadsheet. What we can do with each of the users. We can, first thing, I guess it's like activate and deactivate, like we already saw in other video. Also delete, edit, work history, delay salary, and login as this user. About the edit, so this is the information that we can edit, which we can just edit some of the data if you need and save it. Then what we can also edit is the official salary here. So you just click on the edit icon and let's say, so the official salary was successfully changed. Now we can see that it was changed here. Also, we can see the work history of the user and create the actual work history. So when you will create it, you can see them here on this page, and you can just simply check it in the actions for each of the user. Also delay salary, we can delay the salary for each of the users, and logging as this user, test PM, like we can see, yeah, so it was the test PM. And also, as we already know, we can activate and deactivate users. Status is blocked, and we will activate again. Status is active. So these are the data and actions on the users page in Clodify system. So now you know what actions you can do and what information and data you can see in users page of Clodify system.